While you are watching the 31% silver crash on your phone, a much bigger war just started in the vaults of the New York Fed. Germany just issued an emergency demand to bring 1 to 200 tons of their gold home. They don't trust the Warsh Fed, and they don't trust the Greenland tariffs. The exit is closing, and the biggest nations are already running for the door. Today is Monday, February 2nd, 2026. And the paper fraud we just exposed has officially gone global. While retail investors are panicking over silver dropping to $78, the world's second-largest gold holder, Germany, has just made a move that should terrify every dollar holder on Earth. German officials have officially renewed calls to bring 200 tons of their gold back to Frankfurt. Why now? Because the Trump trade just got real. Germany owns 3,352 tons of gold, and nearly $164 billion worth of it is currently sitting under the streets of Manhattan at the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. But German economists are now calling this too risky. They are watching the Kevin Warsh nomination. They are watching the Greenland provocation. They are terrified that if the trade war with Europe escalates, Trump will do to Germany what he did to the silver shorts. Freeze the exit. This isn't just a German problem. Brazil, a key BRICS ally, has just offloaded a staggering $61 billion in U.S. treasuries to pivot into physical gold. They aren't waiting for the Doge audit to tell them the vaults are empty. They are moving now. The fraud is this. The U.S. relies on foreign demand for the dollar to fund its $38 trillion debt. But when nations like Germany and Brazil start demanding their real money when gold back, the Fed has to choose. Give them the gold they might not actually have, or let the dollar collapse. The $7.4 trillion wipeout we saw this weekend wasn't a market crash. It was a liquidity grab. The banks need to lower the price so they can buy enough metal to satisfy these sovereign demands before the system defaults. The mainstream says, silver is dead. The data says, the nations are revolting. Germany wants their gold. Brazil is dumping the dollar. And the Doge audit is 18 months away from exposing the truth. If you are selling your silver today, you are giving the banks exactly what they need to pay off Germany. Don't be the liquidity for the banks. Hold the line. The repatriation war has just begun.